Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add friends in GTA 5. Now, when you are in story mode, you can just tap on the escape button on your PC. Okay, so just tap on it and then you will be able to see the social club at the bottom of your screen. So you will just have to click on it. And then from the top of your screen, just click on social. Okay, and then select find player. That's right. And then just try typing out a specific name of the player that you want to add as your friend in GTA 5. So for example, Lance. So you will gonna see a lot of users named Lance. So you just have to press on this in order to send your friend request. So you will just have to wait for an hour or a day until they are going to confirm your request. Now, the second method is when you're playing GTA Online, you will just have to tap on escape button again on your PC. Okay, so let's tap on the escape button and then we'll be able to see the online option. So you will just have to click on it and then tap on players. Okay, this one, just tap on it and then you'll be able to see all of the players that you're playing with online. So if you want to add them as your friends, just click on their name, okay, and then select send friend request. Okay, so let's choose the player that we're going to send our friend request to. So for example, this one. Okay, as you can see at the center, you can see the send friend request. So you'll just have to tap on it and then wait for an hour or a day before they're going to confirm your request. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.